Well, y'all, today is transplant day. I've had these cucumbers in the greenhouse for about 3 weeks. As you can see, I planted quite a few. I had some die. Hopefully they'll make it out here. It's probably 90 degrees and humid. We're expecting storms and hail and naders tonight. Just got these mulched. Hopefully they won't dry out on me. Tucking all this straw down inside of these 5-gallon pots. Yeah, around here you can pretty much tell the weather by the perspiration that you're giving off. Might go east of us, but man, it's sure a day for tornadoes. Depends on where that dry line puts up. But anyway, my transplants look good. We'll see how good they do out here in this sun the rest of their whole life. They may all burn up if the daggone chickens might get them. We've done the same thing for watermelons over here. Some Possum tomatoes. Gotta get them in the ground, get them growing. So I went to these growth pots. Sick of pulling weeds all the time. So we'll see if it works. It's more than likely it will. Gotta keep them watered. Trying to get all that straw just smashed flat. That way it keep all that moisture in there. We'll go look at the old watermelons and peppers. I got tomatoes on the vine now, it's green. I just planted a few more in the ground. Plant them at different times, that way that maybe we'll get some at different stages in life and different stages of the hot weather. Usually plant them all at the same time. The earth's changing, life's changing things. See what won't work, what will work. Alright, well that's the last one of the cucumbers. These are market mores. Gonna grow up this little old thing. Be just fine and dandy. Now, if you look in here just right, we got a little sugar baby watermelon growing. Just transplanted it today, so we're gonna try to protect that with this hay and keep it wet, keep the wind off of them. Wet that straw down. Till they get a leg up. Protect them from everything. Don't always work out that good. I want y'all to check this out. Look at them baby squashes, ain't them cute? Got 4. Well, about 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 on this old vine. Hell about beat them up. They're blooming so good. That hail might have done them a little good. Couple weeds in this one. Couple in there. Blooming over here. Blooming over here. Coming right along. I'm gonna have some squashes before long. It'd be nice to mulch all these, but I ain't got the material just yet. Y'all take a gander at these here celebrities. They're putting on pretty nice tomatoes. Only a couple of them, but you can't complain. There's 3 right here. Doing all right. Now I'm hoping y'all can see these. These are alpine strawberries that I planted from seeds. They're trying to make it happen. We'll see if I can grow them. We ain't quite there yet. They're still in the real delicate stage, but maybe. Market more cucumbers. I planted these from the seeds and just had them here in the greenhouse. That's what I planted today. Was more transplants. So hopefully we'll have some more. And then my hocinators, I repotted them and put them in these bigger pots. And they were smaller. I got a couple of pawpaw trees. And then let's look at the dragon fruit. The dragon fruit seem to be doing well. I got a new one coming off of here now. This is a physical graffiti. And the Laverne Red, I ain't got one off of this one yet, but finally got a sprout off of this one. And then my windmill palms in the back there, they're doing good. And then pretty much all the rest of my dragon fruit are putting off new shoots. Sugar dragon. This is Voodoo Child. This is a whole new sprout. It's starting to put off roots, aerial roots. It's trying to crawl up something. And then this here's my, what's him called? Agave, blue agave. Just a little bitty guy when I got it. This seems to be doing good. This is American Beauty. Look at that shoot. Man, that thing's 13, 14 inches. American Beauty. New sprouts, a couple of them. American Beauty, the new sprout. I'm going to have to stake that one up. But anyway, it's been plant days, so. Gotta catch up on one thing, and then you gotta catch up on the next day. So we'll see you on the next one. Thank you.